Somebody said Omidan Olayinka recommend our movies don't trend for YouTube. So I'm here with 10 trending Yoruba movies on YouTube. My bad number 10. The number 1 will really shock you. Number 10 is Olukoso. Olukoso ni 136,000 views. 3 days ago, ni one uploaded. Eleri wo lori Oloto Premium TV. Then if I read comments now when you call Londa movie on YouTube. It will be me. Number 9 is Alabagbe. Alabagbe ni 168,000 views. Uploaded 1 day ago on Big Time TV. You can check on the screen for the comments under the movie. Number 8 is Love Kills. Love Kills has 204,000 views. Uploaded 6 days ago. ApataTV. Our comments see when you're on Sony Pai, only screen. Number 7 is Kodoro Part 2. Only 203,000 views. Uploaded 3 days ago on ApataTV. Our comments to other movies only screen. Number 6 is Gongo. Only 205,000 views. One uploaded 1 day ago. YorubaPlus. Our comments under it. Number 5 is Ganiyu Ganusi. 257,000 views. Uploaded 4 days ago on ApataTV. Our comments say only screen. Number 4 is Luwo Bagida. Alekeji Part 2. Only 287,000 views. Within 1 day to upload it. Eleri wo lori LibraTV on YouTube. Especially if you want part 1, to part 2. Because part 1, only views to at least close to 1 million views in part 1. So I think it's one of the most interesting movies on YouTube right now. To just Yoruba. Number 3 is Second Wife. Second Wife, we need 314,000 views. Within 6 days to upload it. Eleri wo lori OAFP-TV. Of course, that is Odunlade Adekola's TV. Number 2 is Olowo 429,000 views. Within 3 days to upload it. Moondew TV, YouTube. And the number 1 is Luwo. Only 715,000 views. Within 8 days to upload it. LibraTV. So our movie mewa don't trend lower YouTube channel. So you can't step back movies tell you if you enjoy for your free time. Our movies tell you and tell any of this movie, if I like it, of course on the comment section. It's a few overhype. But yeah, okay, so that other people don't waste their time as well. Let me know under the comment section. You understand? So if I recommend family, and if there are other movies too, then my like to recommend family, of course on the comment section. So I don't like to comment. You will let you you will let you